I once imagined a channel like this. Make money while traveling. Make money while enjoying the natural scenery around the world. His channel is on YouTube. Monthly income of more than $9,000. 1 year's channel advertising revenue. The maximum non-employment income is 100,000 United States dollars. It's just an income. There is also a second type of tourism-related peripheral income. It's the Travel Advertising Alliance Commission. Paste the promotional link of the ad network in the video. There will be a second passive income. Making money while traveling is not a dream. No technical expertise is required. No need to show your face. No need to record it yourself. No need to take a video. You can use AI to create videos of world travel. Who doesn't like traveling, so he has a video with extremely high views. Highest video views, reaching 23 million. How to create travel videos with one click using AI. Ordinary people can also use YouTube. Earn 2 types of passive income. In addition to YouTube ad revenue, you can also earn through travel alliances. 6,000 clicks, more than $1,700 in affiliate income per month. No more nonsense. Let's start today's sharing now. Today I will use 2 methods to create this kind of travel video. We can come. You can see there is a travel website on it. Let's click to open. This travel website has a lot of articles. You can also search for more websites of this type on Google. There are many articles here. Includes a lot of articles about major tourist attractions in the world. Now come to my channel homepage. Found an AI toolbox. Scroll down below to find a collection of Chat GPT chat tools. Find this as Quillbot Rewrite Robot. Enter this robot. After logging in, click on the first item to rewrite the robot, because what this website is best at and most famous for is the rewriting function. You can adjust its override strength. The stronger the intensity, the more original the rewriting content will be. You can choose from different rewriting styles above. Generally speaking, choose standard, or fluency is fine. I randomly found an article on a travel website. He writes about 15 of the most beautiful lakes in the world. Just copy its contents. Paste it into this rewrite bot. If we directly use the content of his article, is an infringement, so we need to rewrite his article. Paste its contents into the dialog box. Delete the redundant content. After all redundant content has been deleted, just click the paraphrase button below. Regenerate the entire article. You can see the content he generated. Compare left and right sides. It can be seen that huge changes have taken place, because I adjusted it to a higher intensity. If you want to change the article to more content, can be adjusted to a higher level, then we just need to press the copy key. Copy all content, then come to AI tools. Find a tool to create videos with just one click. This AI tool picture, we click to open to enter this website. We log into the website through the above. Of course, if you already have an account, you can just log in directly. This way you can log in with your Google account more conveniently. Select the first item on the left. Click to open text to video. Paste what you just said here. Paste the question above. Need to adjust its content. Useless content. Delete redundant content. Also delete duplicate content. After deletion is complete, click Proceed to start generating video. You can see that he has already started creating videos. You don't need to do anything. Just copy and paste and wait for the software to automatically create a video. He has quickly helped me select matching video materials. I don't need to find the material and download it. It's very troublesome, because his website has a huge material library. The materials are both free and paid. Of course, there will be more choices for paid materials. You can see that the subtitles of the video have been generated for me. Adjust subtitle font. Apply to all. You can watch his video carefully. He has no subtitles. In fact, we can also delete this subtitle. Click this subtitles hide button. You can see that the subtitles have been hidden. Click Apply to all. All these subtitles are hidden. Doesn't it look more beautiful this way? It looks like your entire video is of a higher quality. If the corresponding text content matches the video, The content of these generated videos is not satisfactory. You can also change your favorite videos. Then click Replace. In this case, he replaced it directly. Isn't it very convenient? Because it has real pronunciation. That is, you have to read the text out if your English reading ability is not very strong. The second item that can be clicked through is AI pronunciation function. This is the voice function of AI. Choose here to listen to AI pronunciation. You can also choose male or female. We can choose a girl's pronunciation to listen to.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
The beginning of knowledge is the discovery of something.
Work while you have the light.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. Never mistake motion for action.
Either you run the day or the day runs you. Either you run the day or...
This voiceover is downloaded. We can click on this gear settings. Select Apply to All and tick. I see there is background music here. We can also choose these background music. You can choose your favorite music. Here click on the gear and click again to tick. Apply this background music to all videos. After completion, just download this video. We can see the upper right corner. There is a button to download the video. This is the first method. Next we come to the second method. The second method is faster. We find it here in the AI toolbox, which is in video. Click to open. You can see the directory column of the website. What we find here is to log into the AI first. Click to log into this account. Of course, you can log in with your Google account. Now we are making YouTube videos. Click on YouTube Explainer. How long do you want your video to be? If you want more than 15 minutes, you can also enter the time here. I'm just giving a demonstration here. Just choose a 5-minute video. Just use the title of the article just now to create a video. Let's see what the effect is like. He asked me what tone and creative ideas I wanted to use. I gave him a professional and humorous background music. I hope he uses some piano and pure music. My content here has been filled in. For pronunciation, I chose the pronunciation of American Girls. You can choose the background of the subtitles. Do not add subtitles. Continue to the next step. Or if you want to use this subtitle, you can. Click to continue creating. The video request is already written here. Then continue to click to create this video. See, here is the audience. Which one do you want to choose? Are you a nature lover or travel enthusiast or student? The look and feel of your choice is professional and inspiring. Choose a video from YouTube. Continue. You can see that he has already started creating videos. We see that the video is already ready. You can choose a higher definition video. We can click here. Take a look at the effect of video playback.
Golden sun, surrounded by majestic mountains and lush greenery. Welcome to the world of the most beautiful lakes. These natural wonders span across continents, each holding unique stories and breathtaking vistas. We'll journey from the azure depths of Crater Lake to the reflective beauty of Lake Bled and the mystical allure of Lake Baikal. 15 incredible destinations, each a testament to nature's grandeur.
The above pictures and videos. Actually, some very beautiful videos. We saw that the material was watermarked just now. If you want free, you can still be here. Search for some free materials. What I am searching for here is the keyword of lake. So I saw a lot of free and membership videos. If you like these videos, want to change to video, just click to change the video. Click on the video you want to change. You can see the video spliced above. After you confirm here, he can replace it. Again, wait for him to regenerate the video. If you confirm that your video is ready, then we just need. Click the export button in the lower right corner. Select the video you want to export. We directly choose to continue. Video exported. Need to upload this video. There is an upload button in the upper right corner. Click here to upload a video. You can use the TubeBuddy tool here. Search keywords for lakes at will. You can see his keyword. There were 640,000 searches. You can see that the search volume for these keywords is very high. So we just need to put these keywords. Place it above the tab bar of your video. In this way, you can get more accurate traffic. In addition to earning YouTube advertising revenue, you can also promote it through the Travel Alliance booking. Because your video is travel-related content, people who watch the video will think of traveling, will find some hotels or some train tickets, plane tickets, etc. Therefore, the website is very suitable for promotion, because they are available all over the world through this website. Apply hereby. You can become his Alliance member. Get affiliate link. Just put it in your video description. When someone registers through your link, you can get commission. There is also a second Alliance website, Expedia Group. These affiliate websites can be promoted all over the world. The video we made is very relevant. There is also a third Alliance website, TripAdvisor. The above three websites are all travel-related Alliance websites. You can get $60 for 170 clicks per month. If there are 6,100 clicks, earn more than $1,720 per month. 870 clicks will earn you $550. Someone clicked to his hotel website through an affiliate link. You can get benefits. The settlement methods of each alliance are different. I suggest you apply to all three alliances. Make sure your channel has more than 1,000 subscribers before applying. This way it will be easier to get your application approved. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.